Hi everybody, going to take the front spoiler off. 2 bolts, not very well lit, but one down there and one down there. That's the cable for the light indicators, and then we're going to do that. So let's get to it. It's all a bit daunting, this sort of thing, every single time. You just know something's going to be a bit difficult to undo. Okay, go and find another one. That's it, one bolt. Now to the other one. Put that there. It's good so far. I'm joking. They're fucking. Oh, you've got to be joking. There's another bolt underneath. Oh, great. Okay, great. So we're going to go to plan B. Was not actually take the rubber bumper off. We're going to take the spoiler off because I can't get it 2 bolts, which are quite well hidden. You can't see, because I can't even see. I can feel them. They're way up inside here, so I'm going to undo that screw, the other screw, and that screw to take off this old spoiler. It's only because I just don't like that bit of paintwork showing at the side. It just looks naff. If that was painted black or spray black, I think it would be much better. So I'll stop there anyway, but basically get the idea and take the other one off over here. So let's do that. Only held together with the self-tapping screws, which have done the job for my own 30 years. True to form, one screw doesn't come out, so I don't know, try have a go at a bigger thing. See you back. Whoa, okay. Last that one had to get this was my granddad's screwdriver. Gotta be how old, but isn't it funny how old tools sometimes are much better than, or get more grip than the new tools. Anyway, last one, and it's out. And then well, there you go. That was a bit dramatic. Ah, interesting. Forgot those. They were sort of that bumping around. Copy of the LE model, the last MGB, whether you can see. Ooh, you really made a bad cutting out, but anyway, that's done. Let's have a look. Anyway, we better get more leverage on the bits. That's what the original colour is, and that big ding. It's not too bad, is it? Pull out and scrape this front thing here before painting it, so just rub all this rust down. This, some of this stuff on it, so stop rust, and then rub it down again. Another perspective on doing this. And as you can see, oh, why the right hand side looks so rusty. Very, very thin piece of metal, I must say. Yeah. One number plate. Actually, it's not too bad a condition. But
Good job. Number plate off.